Hi everybody, Elizabeth with Country Peony, and today I'm here to show you how to make a really cute lettered colored bracelet. So I've been seeing these letter bracelets all over the internet, and I thought to myself, well, maybe I should try to make my own because they are so cute. And so today I wanted to take you along that journey. I actually made 3 separate color bracelets, and today we're going to focus on the bottom colorful one. But the great thing about this project is that it is truly customizable. You can use any color of beads, any size of beads, and obviously any letters that you want to create your own. So if you want to see how to make your own very simple lettered bracelet, then come along. Thank you so much for following along today, guys. I hope you feel inspired to bust out your beads and make your own bracelets. If you want to see more simple DIYs and tutorials, please check out my blog, countrypeony.com, or feel free to follow me on Instagram or Facebook at The Country Peony. I'd love to have you there. Until next time, happy crafting.